In today's video, let me show you the way that you can fix your Facebook account review pending. Now in these situations, the first thing that you can do is try to log into your Facebook, and as soon as you do that, you'll get a page or a section where you can appeal to Facebook. So in that section, you need to add in your information and then quickly appeal by adding in a polite message. If you head over to the help center of Facebook and search for Facebook account disabled or suspended, you'll land on this section, and right here, as I said earlier, you'll get the section of appeal as you try to log into your Facebook. What you can also do is come to this screen or this page and then tap on the no option where it says was this helpful, and try to contact the support or try to send the Facebook message. So you can just add in the information that you're trying to make if the appeal section is not visible as you try to log into your Facebook on the application. Now once you send this appeal to Facebook, you'll need to wait out at least 48 hours before you get your reply, and if you have not violated any sort of community guidelines, you should be able to get your account back. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you in solving this issue. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.